Start working on your credit if you want to level up. Because you need some good credit cards to get access to places that other people can't get access to. When you get them credit cards, you get points, you get rewards. Amex have all the luxury events, luxury high-end events where all the rich people go. We get special invites, private invites. And you also can get access to the lounge. So you're not waiting at the gate with the regulars. To all the traveling girls that want to level up, you need to get global entry. And if you find a man or date a man with global entry, you already know they had to do a background check on him. Also, ladies that want to level up, get rid of them raggedy friends, the haters. The friends and the family that's haters. Gotta get rid of. Oh, looking cute.